Whether you're an Apple fan or not, if you want to add another device to your regular used gadget list, an iPad is surely going to be a worthy option. Since there are a few models available to choose from, and Apple never disappoints its users by providing performance somewhere between every product. So, getting the right iPad depends on your requirements, and budget is pretty confusing. To help you with that, we made a list of which iPad you should buy in 2022. Let's get started. This is the iPad Mini 6, a sleek, compact, yet powerful option to choose between all the iPads available. Despite being so handy and lightweight, this device boasts the A15 Bionic chip that offers you faster performance in heavy usage, like photo or video editing, graphics-intensive gameplay, and many more. Coming with a crisp all-screen design, the 8.3-inch Liquid Retina display with True Tone and wide color simply takes the user experience beyond the straight line, allowing you to go from inspiration to creation anytime, anywhere. Plus, the wide 12-megapixel back camera lets you capture vivid photos and record 4K videos. Not just that, there's a 12-megapixel ultra-wide front camera, which makes video calling more enjoyable. On top of that, the second-generation Apple Pencil's adaptability, stable connectivity, landscape stereo speakers, and up to 10 hours of battery life come as a great combination to increase your productivity with fun. Let's be frank, there are plenty of people who prefer using an iPad for watching content over doing productive work. Apple has designed this iPad Pro with the stunning 11-inch Liquid Retina display with ProMotion that delivers the utmost contrast ratio and lifelike colors to immerse your watching experience. Now you'll love to watch your favorite TV shows, movies, drama series, and all. Though it got a big size, Apple didn't compromise on power, as the iPad Pro comes with the powerful M1 chip to take the performance one step further, meaning you can do some multitasking during busy office hours. In short, if you're constantly watching content and also want to do a variety of heavy tasks, this iPad Pro M1 will be a worthy option to grab because of its great display size and processor. When you're on a tight budget, the iPad 9th generation is the best option to go with. It's the most affordable Apple tablet you can get for regular tasks like watching movies, drawing, or some simple project works. This iPad lets you paint with precision and ensures a fantastic content watching experience with the immersive 10-inch Retina display. And the A13 Bionic chip with Neural Engine maintains stable optimization to provide the best CPU and graphics performance. Thanks to the 12-megapixel ultra-wide front camera, you can enjoy more engaging video calls with Center Stage. However, the 8-megapixel back camera is good enough to capture intense, vivid images and videos. With an all-day battery backup, this iPad never lets you down in the middle of a busy day. The next iPad on the list is the iPad Air. It equips Apple's powerful M1 processor and comes with a sleek design as well, meaning the performance will be next level while ensuring the best comfort. With this powerful chipset, the iPad makes sure you got a fluid response on every application and do smooth multitasking from app to app, website to website. No wonder the 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display with an anti-reflective coating will bring out the crisp and colorful content watching experience. On top of that, the 12-megapixel ultra-wide front camera with Center Stage allows you to make your video calling absolutely flawless and crystal clear. Plus, the iPad Air also takes bright, colorful photos and videos with the 12-megapixel wide back camera. Oh, we forgot to mention the Touch ID and Magic Keyboard adaptability. Now the authentication will be more secure and productivity will cross the edge line. Let's wrap up the list with this super-performing iPad Pro M2. It simply elevates your user experience with next-generation performance, mind-blowing graphics, and second-to-none speed. Coming with a 12.9-inch Liquid Retina XDR display with ProMotion, this tablet outshines itself as a perfect one for viewing and working on high-contrast content. The iPad Pro is equipped with a powerful M2 chip that expands the possibilities with astonishing performance while letting you use desktop-class apps and play console-quality games flawlessly. Cool, isn't it? Wait, it's not over with the chip. The 12-megapixel back camera allows you to take pro-quality photos and videos. Meanwhile, the 12-megapixel ultra-wide front camera connects you to your mates and family members with sharp video callings. The second-generation Apple Pencil, Magic Keyboard, and super-fast Face ID authentication make the iPad Pro M2 the worthiest option to choose from. So that was all about which iPad you should buy in 2022. Which one do you actually want to get? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.